Are you looking for the best laptop external cooling fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best laptop external cooling fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KLIM Tempest Laptop Cooler with Vacuum Fan. The KLIM Tempest is an innovative laptop cooler that offers rapid cooling and temperature detection features to protect your laptop from overheating, crashes, and low performance. It comes with a reliable motor that spins at 4,000 revolutions per minute to extract hot air from your computer, 2 fixing plates, attachment hooks, foam feet, 3 rubber adapters, and 13 speed levels to easily find the best balance between noise and cooling capacity. The KLIM Tempest is made of durable ABS material and comes with a 5-year warranty. It is compatible with laptops with side or rear exhausts of adequate size and shape. What we like: powerful cooling performance, reduces laptop temperature, improves gaming performance, adjustable fan speeds, good value for money. What we don't like: awkward installation process. Instructions could be clearer. Number 2. IETS GT202UB Laptop Fan Cooler. The IETS GT202UB Vacuum Laptop Fan Cooler features a high-speed blower, tight silicon shroud, and low-resistance air duct for rapid cooling of gaming laptops. It has a temperature detection function that automatically adjusts fan speed to save power. The retractable clip arm ensures a secure connection between the cooler and the laptop, while the dust-proof net prolongs the product's lifespan. What we like: significant temperature reduction, portable and travel-friendly, easy to install and use, multiple fan speed options, improves gaming performance. What we don't like: can be slightly noisy, may be tricky to secure. Number 3. ASUS ROG AeroActive Cooler X. The ASUS AeroActive Cooler offers enhanced cooling with a chip that is more than twice the size of typical models, helping keep your laptop running smoothly during heavy use. Its compact design is nearly 30% smaller and 10% lighter, making it easy to carry and use wherever you go. You'll also benefit from improved thermal efficiency, which means the cooler works faster and more effectively to reduce heat. This makes your device less likely to overheat, ensuring better performance and comfort. Overall, the ASUS AeroActive Cooler is a smart choice for gamers and professionals who need reliable cooling in a portable package. What we like: larger cooling chip, compact and lightweight, improved thermal efficiency, portable design. Number 4. Rinsfox X9 Pro 36W Tablet Cooler. The Rinsfox X9 Pro Cooler offers a quiet cooling solution designed for tablets, laptops, and gaming devices like the Steam Deck. Its sturdy build with alloy and magnet materials ensures durability, while the RGB lighting adds a stylish touch you can turn off anytime. The innovative 2-in-1 fixation method lets you attach it magnetically or with a buckle, giving you flexible mounting options. Thanks to advanced semiconductor cooling technology, it delivers rapid cooling with a powerful 36W output, helping prevent overheating during long gaming or streaming sessions. Plus, with its simple plug-and-play design and 3 cooling modes, you can easily adjust the performance to suit your needs. What we like: excellent cooling performance, easy to use and attach, MagSafe compatibility, low noise level, long battery life. What we don't like: slightly bulky design, limited cooling area. Number 5. Cooler Master SickleFlow 200 ARGB Fan. The Cooler Master SickleFlow fan offers vibrant ARGB lighting with frosted blades that ensure an even glow, perfect for users who want to customize their PC's look. Its upgraded, larger blades are designed to push more air efficiently, helping to keep your system cool even in tight spaces. Thanks to its hybrid blade design, this fan works well in cases where airflow might be restricted, providing extra air pressure to maintain cooling performance. The reinforced frame adds stability and reduces noise and vibrations, making your PC quieter and more reliable during operation. What we like. Great airflow performance. Quiet operation. Good RGB compatibility. Easy installation. Value for money. What we don't like. Occasional slow shipping. Possible size mismatch.